been using this every night. How smudge proof this eyeliners are. Hey Lovelies, Teen here, and for today's video we will have another addition to the Wear It or Skip It series, and today I will be reviewing this Cosnori Eye Makeup set that I got from Style Korean. So this one includes eye cream, mascara, eyelash serum, brush liner, and 2 colors of gel liners. So I wanted to show you guys the packaging as well. It comes in this tin can. You know those ASMR videos where they go. So upon opening, this is what you will see. All the products are in there. And I heard a lot about this brand, especially their eyelash serum. I've seen lots of advertisements and posts regarding this lash serum in particular because it actually won lots of awards. So last 2021, it was part of those selected for the Glow Pick Awards as well. So I was really interested in trying it because I've been looking for a good lash serum for a while now as well. And for their gel eyeliners, it's this too. Comes in the shades black brown and walnut brown. I guess the walnut brown one will be the one more suitable for everyday makeup, and I'll be swatching that as well later. And they also have the brush eyeliner. And for skincare, they also have this Avocado Eye Cream. I've been using this every night and it's literally so good. It's really good. It melts like butter onto your skin, and I'll show you guys the texture and how it easily glides onto the skin later on. And it also has this mascara, just the long and curl one. It's also waterproof, and of course the award-winning lash serum as well. I've also been using this alongside the eye cream every night, and it's also really nice. It doesn't have any weird smell, it's not sticky, and it really helps with my lashes. So I just apply it like how I apply my mascara, and I'll be showing you guys how it's like also later on. So we'll start with this one, the Cosnori Avocado Eye Cream. So this one is really great for areas in your face like under eye and other parts of your face that needs extra moisture or parts that would easily crease. So you could put it here or on parts on your face that would wrinkle here if you want. So this one contains avocado oil and rice extract, and the texture of the product is like this. You could see how it really just melts here. It comes in a white cream type. Since I only applied a blemish cream, a BB cream, I can show you guys clearer how it would glide onto the skin. So it actually feels like butter. And I'll apply more here. So more than an eye cream, you could also use it on different parts of your face that would need more moisture. So I put some here, especially now that it's winter in some places and it's extra colder in where I live. So this one would really be helpful in moisturizing. And this eye makeup set also comes very timely because now we are almost all of us are wearing masks, so only makeup visible in your face most of the time is your eye makeup. So this set would be really great for that. And then for the gel eyeliner, I'll be showing you guys a swatch of these two products. For the black brown first. For the black brown, it comes in this packaging where you will twist to get it out. Here is the swatch. This is for black brown. For the other one, walnut brown. Walnut brown comes in the same packaging, and for the swatch, this is what it looks like. So the difference in the shade is slightly darker than walnut brown. So if you want a more natural looking eyeliner, you could opt for this one, but this one will also be great as well. For the brush eyeliner, it comes in this packaging, so it's slightly thicker, and it also comes in the shade black brown like the gel eyeliner I showed you earlier. So I shaped this, and it's actually so fine. So although they are the same shade, you can see how much more pigmented and stronger the brush eyeliner looks when used. So for today, I'll be using this super proof fitting brush eyeliner in black brown. So while I'm letting that dry, you can see how it's so fine. So to prep my lashes for the mascara, or you could use it on its own during your skincare, I'll be using the lash serum and just apply it like how I would usually apply my mascara. Now this one will not only be prepping your lashes for applying mascara, but it would also nourish your lashes and help make it grow thicker and longer. After a while, now I will be using the Perfect Setting Mascara. So this one is waterproof. It comes in this packaging. I love how the wand seems to be very easy to use and has very fine bristles that would make it easier reach even the inner part way easier. And for my daily makeup, I just usually use one coat. I apply it on my bottom lashes as well. I could see that even with just one coat, it already makes my lashes look longer and more curled. So I will do the same on the other side as well. The lash serum being used before applying the mascara also really helped prep my lashes more. That's why I think the mascara is even better. So to sum it up, I think all of the products here in the set is worth it. But if I would have to choose my top picks, everything's worth it, so it's really hard. It would have to be the lash serum, the mascara, and I'll show you guys how smudge proof this eyeliners are. Even this one, this is the brush eyeliner. It doesn't really smudge at all. So I think all of the products in this set are really worth it. That will be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button beside it so that you won't miss out on more videos in the future. And remember to always choose love and kindness. Bye!